Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we're checking out this cooling blanket that was sent to me as a gift to test out in my home and share with you. Let's check it out. So if you're ordering this as a gift, you might want to be aware because it actually shipped with the label on the box. So the box was completely open like what it was. Now it's not super obvious what it is from the outside of the box, but just so you know. But the presentation is great. So I want to show you this. Okay, so you open it up and you've got your nice pretty card. It's got a cute little dear customer on the back with a thank you. You've got your care instructions and information about the benefits of this cooling blanket. And then you've got your blanket shrink wrapped. Look at that. That is just like, that is in there good. And even look, it's got a little bow in there. So we're gonna open this up and test it out. Okay, guys, I was not expecting this to be this soft. This is so silky soft. It has good weight to it too. It's not a weighted blanket, but it does have a good weight to it. But look, it's not, I'm gonna see if you can see my hand through it. It's not a super thick blanket. It's definitely well made, but it really, I can tell that this is gonna feel nice to have the weight of if it was like a down comforter or something, but have the cooling effect of this blanket. So, okay, let's test it out. I'm loving the texture. This blanket is so silky smooth. It looks great just by itself, or you can even use it as if you wanted to put it in a duvet cover, you could. Fun pattern to keep all the quilting pattern to kind of keep all the batting in place so it's not going to bunch up. It was, of course, really wrinkly when I pulled it out of the package because it had been shrink wrapped. But we stuck it in the dryer for just a little bit, and the wrinkles came right out, and it just looks so good, so soft. This is filled with the balance of plant fibers and polyester for lasting comfort, durability, and lots of great stuff. This blanket is machine washable, and you can even put it in the dryer on low. It's so soft. It is the perfect amount of weight, and it really is cooling to the touch. So this is great for sleeping in any temperature, whether you need a little bit of warmth or a little bit of cooling. This is definitely going to be something that you cannot live without. I hope you enjoy this blanket as much as I do. So it's even puppy approved.